What's up, guys? It is Jordan from Monster Motoring here, and I'm in the passenger seat of my own car. There's no one driving me. No one's gonna sit in that seat except me. Trust me on that. Yeah, but I really don't know why. Okay, I really don't know why I'm in the passenger seat of my car. I'm supposed to be doing stuff today, so I should get started on that. It's already like 2 o'clock. It's a late day today, guys. Alright, let's get something started. So, I'm supposed to be here. I just got my taillights sold on my Mustang here. The old ones that I had, the original ones, not the new ones that I have. If you guys remember, a while ago, I got these taillights from S550 Euros on Instagram, and they look incredible. Like, look at that. That's insane. So they're a little bit dirty right now because I don't take care of this car as well as I should, but yeah, I'm gonna get the old ones and we're gonna take them to USPS and we're gonna get them shipped out. So I have the garage open right now. I'm just gonna go and get it. I can't find it, so it looks like I'm gonna have to look somewhere else for it. I don't even know if you guys can hear me right now, but we're gonna find out. I found it. It wasn't inside of the garage. I don't know what I was expecting. I really don't know. All right, onwards. Alrighty, I gotta close my garage and then go to the post office and then to the other garage. Give me 1 second. Alright, back. Let's get the show on the road. So one thing about this new setup I'm using here, it doesn't really fit anywhere. I'll show you guys in a second. Let me just put on all my stuff. Yeah, so right now I have you guys propped up on my phone holder right now. Yeah, so one big thing I was talking about with this camera, cold start for you guys, it doesn't actually fit on my dashboard because of the huge microphone on it. So like you guys can barely see me because the camera's pointed up here, but at least it's still in focus though. And it's also dying, so that's it's always good. I just got here to the United States USPS mail place package, something like that. Whatever. I'm gonna go and ship this package, and I'm gonna be coming right back. You guys here so you can see me. You know, I'm so smart that I just remembered that the UPS place, or USP, the Postal Service closes at 2. I'm late. Like, what am I doing with my life? What's wrong with me? How did I not know that they're closing at 2? It's a Saturday. This is just all sad today. I'm going to the garage. Whatever. This is a conspiracy. All right, guys. I'm at the garage. If you can't tell, I've been working for a little bit. I got my Gorilla Grip gloves on. Ones that they sent me a while back for a throttle. I won a contest. It wasn't because of them. Anyways, if I can find a cart. Working on the IS. It's been something. I have the light set up there. I actually just met one of my neighbors here at the garage. He's really helpful. He's actually doing salvage cars, which should be really helpful for the future. Getting right into it, so far what I found was we kinda, there's a possibility we might have a blown head gasket. What happened, so I was working in here, I'll show you guys. So I just took the ETCSI throttle body off, and I noticed that we had an oil leak down here. I don't know if you guys can see it, the camera will allow me to show you guys. Yeah, so if you look down, hold on. So there's an oil leak here. Pull the plug out. You'll see a bunch of oil. Hopefully it will focus. You'll have to trust me on this one, because there's oil down there, oil all across over there, and there is just a whole lot of seepage all the way in the back here. I've been taking stuff off and it's just been like falling off of my hands. See if the wheels will light a little bit, but yeah, it's like it's dark everywhere, and yeah, you can see the camera shaking because it is cold in here. I really need to get a heater. Yeah, I'm about to take this off over here, the last oil pack. This is the one that we didn't change before, so I can just get the last off. There we go, right here. So I don't remember, don't forget, I mean, and take it off. Yeah, so as you can see right there, that's not good. I have the new one over here so you can see what it looks like. See what it should look like. Let's take it off. Yeah, so it should be completely blue. Right there. No issues with it. It should be new, just a little bit green, maybe. Just because none of the car says there's no, but yeah. So I gotta change that. I'm not comfortable leaving this car like this, of course, with the motor out. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright, I'm gonna go to GoPro so you guys to see exactly what we're doing. So let me get my gloves out. It wasn't a new bumper, so we're good there. Won't be here for long, but I just want to get that last one changed. I really need that thing changed. Alright. The coil pack is... Where'd I put that one? It's inside the car. Yeah, inside the car. Okay. Take that off. I don't know what kind of gunk that is on. Ew. Okay. Press this right here. Let's take this one out. If I can remember how to do this, I remember the last time it was really, really annoying me. The way they have these. If I can remember. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, alright, that makes more sense. Put that one right there. Put this one here. Okay, so now that that's out, I need to get this little clip. Don't want to break this. If I remember correctly, just depress this little thing right here. It's like this little tab. Seems like I don't remember correctly so far, so don't quote me on this. Okay, I just pulled it out. Go inside here. Alrighty. This goes in here. I'm not an expert at this, guys, if you can see. This thing's already in here, my goodness. Okay. I feel, you know, it's in there, but I feel like it's not right. Is it? Let me see. Yeah, that's right. That's how it is for other ones. Interesting. Yeah, take this one out, guys. This little tab inside of here, you gotta go and you gotta push it out, not in. Keep that in mind. And so it's just stuck. You guys see like that little residue on it? That is not good. There's oil inside of there. Not good. Definitely coming from the head. This way I got a little pop, so I know it's in there. You're not gonna get a pop today, it seems like. Yeah, but it's definitely in there, so. And this one is a long one. So, this one probably goes right here. Alright, we got a pop there, and this one is in as best it's gonna be. What just dropped down in there? Huh, interesting. And there's a leaf. I don't understand how that's there if we're inside. Nevertheless, never fails. Nasty. This is not good. Alright. So a little 10 mil. Screwdriver with a socket on it. And let me get that in there. I can't even see it, guys, so please hold. Please let that be it. I don't want to keep screwing this in forever. That's it. We did it. Alright. What just dropped down there? Oh my god, that same zip tie. Alright. Get my needle nose and get that out because that thing is gonna be the death of me. Okay, I don't even know what that's for. I don't want to leave it. Let me just leave it there. Okay. Oh. Okay. Tighten that a little bit more. Not today. Because that's ridiculous. At least we're making progress. I mean, at least it looks like a tube right now. Saying something else. I'm gonna have to take off the head for another day. With a friend at least. Someone else from the team. Alrighty. Let me just at least plug these back up. This is here. This is here. And there should be one more. That's right here. One, two, three. Alright, that should be all of them. Yeah, we're gonna come back because the rest of this I cannot do alone. I'll need some parts. So yeah, we'll get that working another day. Yeah, you guys. I'm not gonna leave you guys just like that. If it's gonna focus. Yeah, I'm not gonna leave you guys just like that. You thought I was just gonna leave you with, you know, a bad time? That's not what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna definitely gonna go get stuff back inside my car. Look at that. Doesn't it look insane? I might take some pictures in a second just to take advantage of that area right there. It just looks incredible. Yeah, let me do that. Hold on, I don't want to miss the sunset, so give me a sec. Also, I almost forgot. My downpipes keep downpipe. It keeps coming like undone. I don't know why. I believe it's a 14 mil. I'm gonna try and tighten it right now before I leave. That way I at least get a nice seal when I'm driving. Alright, pick you guys up. Alright. This garage is dirty. I'm gonna have to come and clean it one day. Get the whole thing just immaculate. Until then, we really need to finish this car. All in due time. Hope I'm not forgetting anything in here because I'll just suck. Am I forgetting anything? Hopefully not, whatever. Whew, got our lock up. Okay, locked it up. Now gotta go and close the hood. Don't know I'm gonna do this one-handed, but don't worry about it. Put you guys on my roof. That's a little bit sketchy, but whatever. Alright. That was really sketchy. I'm gonna turn the car around. Actually, you guys should hear the cold start. Hear and see, I guess. Yeah, that's my car. I'm proud of it. All right, let's go back home.